In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp 3.0. Let's start on the home page, which is your daily command center. This is where you'll see assigned tasks, reminders, recent work, and quick widgets you can customize to match your style. A quick scan here tells you what's due, what's changed, and what needs attention next. On the left, the hub keeps everything within a click or two: tasks, docs, goals, whiteboards, dashboards, and settings, so you can move around confidently without losing your place. Before you dive into work, set up a clear structure. Create a space for a broad area, add a folder for grouped initiatives, and then create lists for execution. For example, you might use a space for content, a folder for tutorials, and a list for May uploads. This hierarchy helps you stay tidy now and scales gracefully as your team and projects grow. Adding work is straightforward. In any list, click the plus button to create a task or type /task. Give it a clear title, a due date, and an assignee right away, so ownership and timing are never ambiguous. Then, open the task panel to make it truly actionable. Add subtasks for multi-step efforts, checklists for small to-dos, and attachments for files or screenshots. Set a priority and apply tags to add quick context. If your team tracks specific data, add custom fields so the right details are always captured and easy to filter later. When you need the big picture, open the Everything view to see tasks across your entire workspace. Use filters like assignee, due date, or status to narrow your focus and cut through noise. For instant lookup anywhere, press Ctrl or Command plus K to open Universal Search, then jump to tasks, docs, comments, or even teammates in seconds. It's the fastest way to find exactly what you need. Choose the view that fits your work. List view is great for dense editing, quick sorting, and field management. Board view makes drag and drop workflows effortless when you want to move tasks across stages. Calendar view supports planning by date, and Gantt view gives you timeline planning and dependencies at a glance. Pick the one that matches how you think, then save filters and layouts so the view stays ready for next time. Docs bring notes, scripts, and SOPs into the same place as your tasks. You can embed live tasks right inside a document, so ideas and execution stay connected. For visual planning, open whiteboards to brainstorm with sticky notes, map connections, and drag real tasks onto the canvas for interactive planning. To reduce repetitive work, set up automations, like moving a task to completed when it's marked done, so routine actions happen automatically and consistently. Dashboards give you a snapshot of progress. Build them with widgets for tasks, workload, time tracking, and project metrics to get an at-a-glance understanding of how everything is moving. And don't forget the mobile app. It's faster, cleaner, and works offline, so you can make quick updates on the go and stay aligned even without a connection. Now let's walk through a simple project flow to bring this together. Head to your Team Space overview to see the high-level picture, then open your project. From there, drill into the relevant list, say a requirements list for a client initiative, and open a task you want to work on. Inside that task, everything you need is in one place: description, subtasks, comments, attachments, and fields. Collaboration is easy. Click to invite people via email, type the names or addresses of those you want to bring in, and send the invite. Before you confirm, adjust their role if needed. ClickUp gives you member options, so you can choose the right level of access for each person. Once they're added, mention them in comments, assign them subtasks, and they'll get notified. If you prefer to share a direct link, copy the task link and send it to stakeholders so they can open the exact item you're referencing. While you're in the task, add a time estimate to clarify effort and support capacity planning. For example, you might set it to 2 hours. Combine that with a due date, a priority level, and any relevant custom fields, like effort, channel, or complexity. So reporting and workload views reflect the reality of the work. When you're done, close the task panel to return to your list. From the List toolbar, open the View menu to explore different perspectives. Switch to Calendar to plan by day, week, or month, and drag tasks into open slots. Then head back to View and choose Gantt to map durations, dependencies, and critical paths. Use this to spot scheduling conflicts early and adjust timelines with a simple drag. When you're finished exploring, navigate back to your team space to keep the broader context in sight. As you continue using ClickUp 3.0, lean on a few best practices. Keep task titles crisp and action-oriented. Assign and date tasks as soon as you create them. Use priorities for triage, and lean on tags and custom fields for fast filtering. Save your favorite filtered views, and don't hesitate to mix views across the same list. For example, keep a board for the team's stand-up and a calendar for scheduling deadlines. Finally, document repeatable processes in docs and turn them into templates so your team can move faster with less guesswork. That brings our tour of ClickUp 3.0 to a close. You've seen how to navigate home, structure your workspace, create and customize tasks, invite collaborators, share links, estimate effort, and work across calendar and Gantt views, plus how docs, whiteboards, automations, dashboards, and the mobile app all come together to keep work moving. I hope you found this helpful, and thanks in advance for subscribing to the channel. Cheers.